Scary story videos are blowing up right now on YouTube and TikTok. These short, spooky clips about real mysteries, weird events, and creepy history are getting millions of views every day. Some new creators already have over 100,000 followers, and every video they post takes off. But here's the real secret. It's not just the stories that make them go viral. It's how the stories are told. The best channels mix scary voiceovers, spooky cartoon-style visuals, and a creepy mood that pulls you in right away. You might think this all sounds a bit confusing, but it's actually super simple. Check out this YouTube channel called Hazatoon. They've only uploaded about 130 short reels, but almost every single one of them went viral. You'll be even more surprised when you look inside their channel. What's crazy is that the channel only started at the end of February, and they went viral in just a few months. In the last 30 days, their videos got 2.5 million views, and they're making around $10,000 every month. Here's another one, a TikTok channel that started in March. This channel is already getting millions of views. You might think this process is super hard and complicated, but you're totally wrong. You can do the whole thing using just one AI tool. The channels I showed you, they're making their videos following the same process. If you already have some spooky stories or creepy ideas, that's awesome. You can start with those. But if not, don't worry. We've got ChatGPT to help. Just go to ChatGPT and in the prompt box, paste this special prompt. It's a detailed prompt that will help you to create a story that hooks people and keeps them watching. Look at this. We've got 10 amazing ideas, and every single one is unique and super spooky. Now pick the story idea you like the most. You'll find another prompt. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, add your favorite story idea from the ones you made earlier. Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll get a long, detailed, spooky story that really hooks people. After that, just copy it, and if you want, you can edit it a little to make it sound more like you and less like AI wrote it. Now, copy your story into a text file and edit it however you like. You can cut out parts you don't need or add extra twists to make it more exciting. Just do it, because the script is the most important part. A strong script is what helps your video go viral. When your script is ready, go to Clippie AI. You'll find the link in the description box. Once you open it, you'll see some demo videos. Each one is made for a different purpose, and it's not just for scary reels. You can make all kinds of short videos here. Next, click Get Started, then choose AI Story Video. In the prompt box, paste the script you made earlier with ChatGPT. Click Next, and now it's time to add a voice for your video. As you can see, there are hundreds of voices to pick from. Let's listen to a few and find the one that sounds perfect for your story.
Tonight, we investigate True Crime UK.
With over 300 million...
The distant rims of the world.
You'll want to order these super strong Viagra by
Hey everybody, this is...
Jackson not only sounds great, he also communicates with...
I crept into the corridor.
In the stillness of contemplation,
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
You can also adjust the voice. Make it louder or softer until it sounds just right. Once the voice is set, click Generate Scene. The AI will start creating all the images for your video. Keep in mind, this AI tool is a paid version, so you'll need to pay a small amount to make videos like this. When the scenes are ready, click Next. Here, you can add background music and sound effects. There are some demo sounds you can try out too. Next, click the transition option and pick a style that fits your video. After that, go to captions and choose a caption style that looks best. When everything looks perfect, click export. And in just a few minutes, your video will be ready to go.